Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janine. Today I have 4 easy summer meal ideas to share with you. Make sure to give today's video a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this here on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe down below. For dinner, I'm going to be making chicken patties. So I have some ground chicken breast. I'm also going to be using this Italian dressing to season the ground chicken. And I have these mini potatoes, so I'm just going to pop these in the oven. And on the side, I'm just going to saute some baby spinach. I'm getting started making the potatoes, so I wash them, dry them off really well, and then I drizzle them with olive oil, and I use a packet of the Lipton's Recipe Secrets, the onion mix, and that all goes in the oven preheated at 450 for about 20 to 25 minutes until the potatoes are ready. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my ground chicken ready, so I'm just dumping it all into a large bowl, and I'm going to use a packet of the Italian seasoning to season it, mix all of that together, and then I will go ahead and form patties and just fry them lightly in a little bit of olive oil on the stovetop.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
And I'm also going to make a little yogurt dip. So I'm going to use some plain Greek yogurt. I'm going to add some garlic, pepper, and sea salt, a little bit of lime juice, and I'm also going to grate a mini cucumber in this. If I had fresh dill, I would use this and it would be so good, but I don't have any on hand, so I'm just going to use what I have.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling.
So we just got back from baseball and I just made a really simple, fast dinner. I used this rice cauliflower from Bird's Eye. This is the Spanish style rice cauliflower. And I just used some of the grilled chicken that I made yesterday for meal prep. And I just sliced up a little bit of avocado on the side. So I have a full balanced plate, and this is a really easy, fast, convenient dinner. Like, it can't get any easier than this. Making a stir fry for dinner tonight. So I have the Perdue chicken breast already diced up, and I've got this kit from Stop and Shop. This is the ginger garlic, and it comes with veggies, and it also comes with a little sauce packet. I'm also going to dice up a zucchini, and I have some shredded carrots, so I'll just throw that into the meal as well. But this is like a really easy and convenient dinner option. I love how convenient this meal idea is. Now, if you can't find these kits in your grocery store, you can just put this together on your own by choosing your favorite veggies. And you can also make your own homemade sauce by using soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. In the summertime, I'm all about convenient meals, and I really don't want to cook a lot because it is hot. So anything that I can put together that is quick and affordable, I am all about. So that is why I wanted to share these recipes with you here. But be sure to let me know down in the comments, what are some of your favorite summer meal ideas? I would love to know down below. Next, I'm going to be making mini egg muffins, and this is another recipe that I love because you can customize this and add any ingredients that you like. So for these, I'm going to use cheddar cheese, green peppers, parsley, and chives. I didn't use any meat in these, but you can also add sausage or bacon. I use 6 eggs and half a cup of half and half. Whisk all the ingredients together, and then you can add the toppings to the bottom of your muffin pan. So for these, I used little liners because I thought it would be easier for cleanup, but the eggs winded up sticking to the liners. So I would suggest that you just spray your muffin pan with a non-stick cooking spray and just add your toppings and egg mixture directly to the muffin tray. Don't bother using the liners. I preheated my oven at 425 and I cooked these for 20 to 22 minutes depending on your oven. I usually stick a toothpick right in the center, and if it comes out clean, then I know that they're done.
Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't.
Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please be sure to click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah.